Hello, my name is Julie, and I am coming to you to describe a DIY circuit kit. You can find the details of how to make this kit on my blog at juliehogewriter.com. It's a family, lifestyle, and food blog. And this kit was created with my son. He is the one who knows how to make all these things. It's not me. He's the one that knows how to do it all. We're going to tell you what is in this kit. We have a motor. All of this is being put into a fishing tackle box, and all of these compartments are adjustable in size. So in our first compartment, as he showed, we had a motor. In the second compartment, we have buttons. The next one, we have switches. You can turn it on and leave it on if you want. And in the next compartment, we have LED lights, little LED lights with resistors. You have various colors. In the next compartment, we have two different battery holders. We have one that is an 8 battery. These are double A batteries. One is a 3 compartment, and the other one is an 8 compartment. One thing we want to mention is you always need to store the batteries out of the battery holders when you're not using it, because if you don't, the wires could touch each other, and it can become very, very hot to the touch and even wreck your battery holder because it overheats and it will ruin it. So make sure when you're done playing with this that you remove the batteries and put them in a different compartment. The next compartment, we have a little speaker. And the next one, we have a little fan. Now this is actually a computer fan. It's just a little tiny fan. And in the last compartment, we have wires and a wire stripper. A wire stripper. So now he's going to show us how to build a circuit. He's going to use the 8 battery compartment, and he already has the 8 batteries loaded in there. And if you're doing a more complicated circuit where it has multiple things connected, you're going to need the larger battery holder like this one where it has the 8. If you're doing a more simple one, you can do 3. The next component he's going to add is the speaker. So he has the battery compartment connected to the switch, and then he's going to connect the speaker to the switch. And he's doing that by putting the wire through it, and then he will get the next component, which is going to be the little LED light. This is a little white light, and we bought a multi-pack that came with multiple colors. So he's twisting the wires together to connect the circuit. So he's closing the circuit, and he puts the little wires in there, and then that connects the circuit together. And this kit is great for kids. It's an educational toy, and it's fun to play with, and it's a learning toy. It's great for Christmas presents or holiday gift ideas for kids who love STEM or just making things, science. Okay, so he's got the full thing done, and now he's going to turn it on. You can see it's making sound, so if there are any pets around, this might startle them, so you may not want to do it when the pet is around, or go to a different room so you don't terrify your pet. And this one had the light on, so now he's going to disconnect them, and he's going to show how to connect the fan. Now this fan is actually a computer fan. So we purchased it, and all you have to do is cut the plug off. So it'll come with the plug already attached. So cut the plug off with the scissors, and then you will separate the wires with any old knife. Then you will strip the wires with the wire stripper to expose the wire under the plastic coating. So now he's going to connect the circuit here, and he's going to connect the fan to show us how the circuit works with the fan in it. You can switch out the components and have the speaker there or the fan there, whichever you prefer. The nice thing about the switch is you can push it, and then it will stay on. So here he's got it completed, and he's going to hold up the fan so we can see that it's spinning. Maybe you can hear it too. It makes a little bit of sound. It's kind of quiet. So this is how you make this circuit with the battery compartment, battery holder, the switch, the fan, and the LED light. And that is how you will use this kit.